Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today's video is part of the Mother Nature theme. Last video I did a bauble, this one is key rings. If you are unsure of the baubles, you'll see it featuring this one because I tried to edit my videos at the same time and I should have kept them separate. So if you see the bauble and you want to know more, click on the link and it'll take you to that video. This project, super fun, super simple, super effective, and super great results. Not enough super in there, so I thought I'd add one. We are going to be using resin, super sparkle white, alcohol inks, Perspex blank key holders that you can get from Amazon, Etsy, any shapes. They have wonderful protective films on both sides, so you can just remove the side you're working and keep the other one on just to help protect your resin nipples or dribbles underneath. And less is more when working on this. And what I mean by that is at each stage, let your alcohol inks dry, let your resin totally dry. Don't put too much on there, just apply a little time and enjoy the process. I am using the same colours that I used in my baubles and I worked on both sides. I added alcohol inks to start with, let it dry, then I came in and added my resin, then added alcohol inks into the resin, let it dry, come and add some top coat with super sparkle white. Once that had cured, I flipped it, removed the film off the other perspective and repeated the process. Now, because it was a blank transparent keyring and the alcohol inks are transparent, you can see the depth from both sides and they add value to each other. Now, when I do show it you at the end, unfortunately the light was just too bright and the gold almost became illuminated and it took away from the blues or the greens. But I promise you, in natural light, in different lights, you see so much depth in there and colours, and I just love, love, love. And I'm really, really enjoying sprinkling a little bit of that gold on my project. Just having a little look at my notes to see where it is. For me, the tip was to don't rush it, enjoy the process, small amounts is best, and just go with the flow. So, I'm Sharon. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, a subscribe, a share, and comments are always welcome. Hopefully this video has invoked something in you to either have a go yourself or share your creative ideas with other people, or just maybe it's just one thing has helped you think about your next project. But if that's the case, put your comments down there because that's what keeps me going. Other than that, hopefully you'll come back and see my next video, which is in this theme, and I am going to be exploring dominoes and creating the Petri. Alcohol ink, people, don't tell me off for saying it wrong, but those amazing effects that you get from alcohol inks going into resin. So I will see you on the next video. I hope wherever you are in the world, you are safe and well. Now, pull up a chair, have a cuppa, and just de-stress with me. I'll see you on the next video. Much love.